ini Mami Ana Cetar lagi bawa tim Vivo. Kita hari ini mau snorkeling.
Lost at sea, through the darkness you'd hide with me. Like the wind we'd be wild and free. You said you'd follow me anywhere. Through your eyes